Introducing the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and cruise control. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.